Hello and welcome to Anthony Betts Motor Group. Here we have a 69 reg Seat Alhambra 2 litre TDI SEL DSG Auto. As you can see, finished in the blue. The SEL is the top of the range model. You've got alloy wheels, front fog lights, privacy glass, off the key you've got power sliding side doors that open off the key and close off the key. There's also additional buttons just inside the door to enable you to open and close them from inside or when you're standing adjacent to the car. The power tailgate also works off the remote. I'll show you inside the boot. Here we've folded down half of the rear third row of seats and part of the middle row of seats, so you can see how it folds perfectly flat. As you can see, the SEL has full leather. And when the third row of seats is up, the boot well is deeper. Folds up and down very easily. So again, I press the button on the remote and the tailgate will close, or alternatively you can press the button just inside the tailgate. You can see you've got privacy glass there, silver roof rails, complemented nicely by the silver window surrounds. If we take a closer look inside the car, so obviously the third seat there is down. Lever here. Allows the seat to drop down. You can see in the back there the vents for the air conditioning of the third row. And say here's the button that you can press just inside the door that closes the door. As you saw there, you got picnic tables on the rear of the front seats as well. Look here, you've got the electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats with memory, lumbar support as well, all electrically adjustable. The headrests adjust in and out here as well to support the head. If we sit inside the car, as you can see, this one's comprehensively equipped, as well as cruise control. It has traffic sign assist, it has lane assist, your navigation here, your climate control, air conditioning, your heated front seats. Down here you've got buttons again for the side doors, the tailgate, parking sensors. You can turn off the auto stop start if you so wish, and you've got your DSG automatic gearbox, great gearbox. Auto hill hold. As you can see, this car looks like new. And very low mileage. thank you for looking. If we can help you any further, please either give us a call, email us at mail@AnthonyBetts.co.uk. Thank you very much.